Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will compare Stable Diffusion and MidJourney to figure out which one is the better AI art generator. If you're looking to create AI art and want to find the best generator, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. From a technical standpoint, Stable Diffusion and MidJourney work in much the same way to create images. It's the user interface, their other features, and how you access them where things differ, not the underlying technology. Both AI models were trained on millions or billions of text-image pairs, which is how they can understand what concepts like people, Canada, and Impressionist paintings mean. Even though the underlying tech of both models is pretty similar, both Stable Diffusion and MidJourney can produce completely different results. Here's what Stable Assistant using Stable Diffusion Ultra created for an Impressionist oil painting of a Canadian man riding a moose through a forest of maple trees. Here's what Night Cafe using SDXL 1.0 created. And here's what MidJourney made. Previously, MidJourney was the oddball only accessible through the chat app Discord. Oh, how things have changed. But now MidJourney has a shiny new web app that gives you full access to almost all its features. It's still community-based, so you see the images other people are generating and they can see yours. But it's otherwise a mostly normal modern web experience. From the web app you can generate anything you want. Create countless variations. Use images as part of your prompt to set a style reference or as a character reference. Edit small details. Expand your images by zooming out, panning in any direction, or just changing the aspect ratio. And go really weird by diving deep into its parameters and other power user features. Honestly, it's almost impossible to compare MidJourney's polished app to the complicated and convoluted controls available through Stability AI's mediocre ChatGPT competitor, Stable Assistant. It doesn't matter that the Stable Diffusion Ultra model can generate some impressive-looking images and has some cool features. The process of using it is pretty poor. And while this isn't only one way of accessing Stable Diffusion, it's the way that's promoted by Stability AI, and it's by far the simplest option for accessing its latest and supposedly greatest model. Stable Assistant starts at 9 months with a 3-day free trial, but as a chatbot it isn't very good. If you limit yourself to just using Stable Diffusion through it, you might find it to be a good value, but it just doesn't compete with ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. And, of course, you can download it and run it on your own hardware for free, or at least without a subscription. With MidJourney, things are a little simpler. There's no free option, but the basic plan starts at $10 a month and entitles you to 200 minutes of GPU time. MidJourney says it's good for roughly 200 prompts, but creating multiple variations or upscaling your images will burn through them faster than creating lots of low-res images. With the above information, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.